My name's Michelle Wilson and I am the director this year for our 2022 production of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. My role is to draw together all of the different parts and to see the production through from start to finish and ensure that what we're producing is cohesive when looking at things like costuming, through to the way that we block our staging, through to the way we build our sets and our props, and then right down to the acting and the singing.
If you then walk over here to the light is
Well, I've actually been part of the Varsity College production since back when we did the Addams Family, and then I've been part of Oliver and The Little Mermaid, and I have to say that this year I think we have the most talented cast of students we've ever had. The students that we have cast in the roles, we really feel that they've taken to their characters really well and they really are well cast and well suited to the roles. They're talented, they work really hard. All of them are good musicians and were able to sing their parts pretty much from the get-go, which meant we were able to work on their acting and their blocking from the very start, which is rare for a musical. Generally you start with the music and then you build the rest from there, but we had a group of kids that were able to be quite independent in that respect, and that's made this process a really nice one to work with. Every one of our creative arts staff has been involved this year. We have another group of staff on the primary campus that have been very supportive, and right from the executive administration down to our teacher aides, we have had a full team approach to this year's musical. I'm just looking forward to seeing all of the different parts come together in production week. To be able to achieve 2 hours of performance, it's really important to divide and conquer as a team. We have a talented team that we've been able to rely on to produce this show, and I'm just looking forward to seeing how all of those parts come together to create something really cohesive at the end. That's a display of everything creative arts that we have on offer here at Varsity College. So the audience can expect a lot of laughs. They can expect some fantastic choreography, some wonderful dancing. We have an amazing ensemble of musicians that have been working together since the beginning of this year. All of the music that you'll hear on stage is live, and it is performed live to the show, which is really an exciting thing to be able to produce from a high school perspective. On stage you can expect colour, fun, creativity, and hopefully a lot of laughs along the way. Well, I'd be lying if I didn't say there have been a few speed humps along the way. COVID this year has certainly impacted our rehearsal process. We have lost rehearsals, and the original plan for the rehearsals has had to be adjusted along the way as we've missed time with students. Obviously we have had staff members that along the way have been unwell and we've missed for certain rehearsals, and then the flooding also added to the process. So putting together a musical during a COVID pandemic and then add on top of that a natural disaster has been a challenge in itself, but I think that we owe the final performance and what we're producing at the end to a talented group of kids that have worked hard and an amazing staff that have supported the whole way through.